Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to download WoW and Deepspace on Android. To download the game on Android, just follow these simple steps. Go to the Play Store. Firstly, open the Play Store app on your Android device. Now, search for the game. To do so, on the search bar, type WoW and Deepspace in the search bar. Now, you need to select the game. Find the game in the search results, then tap on it and make sure you find the official game. Now, press Install button to download and install the game on your device. Once the game is installed, you can tap Open to start playing. If the game isn't available on your region, you may need to use a VPN or search for an alternative. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.